Hi guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel. हम आए हैं इस बार एक ऐसे अमेजिंग वीडियो के साथ जो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा इफ़ यू प्लान योर ट्रिप्स विद योर पेट। एंड हमने ये ट्रिप प्लान की ब्रूनो के साथ फ्रॉम औरंगाबाद टू हिसार विच वाज अ 2-day जर्नी। एंड इस वीडियो में हम आपको टिप्स देंगे बहुत सारी। एंड अ बिग हेलो टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू जिन सब से हम मिल नहीं पाए एंड जिन सब से हम थोड़े से आउट ऑफ टच हो गए बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना टाइम्स, बिकॉज दिस चैनल वॉज प्लान मोर ऑफ अ ट्रैवल channel, but since we were totally avoiding traveling, so the video is coming up so late. So let's see what we faced during the 2J journey. And this is the beautiful view of the mountains as you go out of Aurangabad. So इसे बोलते हैं 40 गांव का घाट। एंड यहाँ पे हमारा कार थोड़ी देर के लिए ब्रेक डाउन हो गया था, बट देन we continued our journey, and I will be taking you through the entire process, and we will be discussing a lot of things, so see till the end and see you guys soon. So keep watching. We were finally shifting to Hisar because we have changed our jobs, and we moved from Aurangabad to Hisar, so we had to shift our entire base, and we were carrying a lot of luggage, so we booked a cab, and we had to take Bruno with us. So there were tired moments, happy moments, and all sorts of moments during the journey. खूब मज़े भी आए, खूब थक भी गए, and the best part was that everything happened smoothly and we reached safely. And I'm making this video around a week ahead of when we actually did the journey, because I was settling down and editing does take some time. So when we started our journey, it was around 1300 to 1400 kilometers, and इस रास्ते को हमने 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. Initially we covered around 700-800 kilometers per day, and then the remaining 500 to 600 kilometers we covered on the second day. So we planned it accordingly, and we stopped in Bhilwara, and we took a place where we stayed. And this is the view of the outskirts of Aurangabad. We had just started, and it was a very beautiful sunny day and lovely day to start the journey.
Hey guys, traveling today.
Where?
After a long time, going to Hisar, shifting bases, hoping for the best.
And who's your companion?
This guy. He's cute.
What is his name?
His name is Bruno.
Hi Bruno. Hi.
Started in the morning. It's a 2-day journey. We covered around 200 kilometers by now.
What time?
I think we left in the morning at 7:15.
And
12, 8 minutes to 12 right now.
and when will we be reaching?
Hopefully tomorrow evening. So
Long
see. Fingers
journey.
crossed. Long journey.
One tip of traveling with a dog?
Be dog friendly.
Please. Tell something helpful.
Feed him after every little time.
So that he vomits.
Oh, so that he has some, so he don't dehydrate.
Okay, and give him an antiemetic.
We gave him in the morning, but before dinner.
Okay. So guys, whenever you're planning a trip with your pets, it's always better to get them accustomed to traveling a little bit, and always give them an antiemetic. That means a medicine that is against vomiting. Consult it with his veterinary, and then give it to him if he is prone to vomiting. Otherwise, it is going to be difficult for you as well as the pet during the journey. And make sure that he is not eaten very heavy meals before traveling. Give him very small meals, or maybe if he's prone to vomiting, then keep him a little bit empty stomach so that he doesn't have troubles while traveling, because there are many pets who have that problem. Honestly, traveling after a long time was fun for us also. Although we didn't really stop at many public places, and we tried and avoid crowd because the COVID situation is still very bad outside, and we were wearing our masks while we were facing people. And it is always better to take as much precautions as you can even during the journey. So with the restrictions of e-pass and everything being removed by the government, it is our responsibility that even if we are traveling during this time, we should be very very careful with how we interact with people, and we should always make sure we are wearing a mask. So when we were recording this video, it was just that we were staying away from the public, and then we have removed the mask. So make sure you're wearing it.
We reached, I don't know where, but right now we are at Jai Mata Di Bapu, the hotel. You got to stop every 2 to 3 hours so that the dog can go potty. And he needs his breaks. So we stopped traveling since 12 hours now, almost. Another 2 to 3 hours more to go. उसको टॉयलेट करा दे.
ब्रूनो, पूरा बेड तो तू ही लेके बैठा है. पापा को भी तूने उधर से ला दिया है. पापा से हाय. सुन भी नहीं रहा किसी की. क्या कर रहा है ब्रूनो तू? मस्ती चल रही है उसकी. हाँ, इतनी देर बाद तुझे ब्रूनो ऐश हो रही तेरी है. देखो बेड पसंद है बहुत पसंद है. पापा को तो आने दे इधर. तो पूरे बेड पे तू ही सोएगा अकेले. हीरो हीरो. आज का सफर कैसा रहा पापा? ब्रूनो ने तंग तो नहीं किया?
So start of day 2. Yesterday found a pet-friendly hotel. As you can see, our companion is with us. So it's very important to find a pet-friendly hotel. We've done this before leaving from Aurangabad. So we had a good night. He had a good night, and now ready for day 2. 7:30 in the morning.
Where did you find pet-friendly hotel?
I searched everywhere. I searched to make my trip. I called them because there is no pet-friendly option on any of these websites. So I had to personally call all these hotels and ask them if it's okay for them to, if they allow a pet in the hotel. And they did. They even allowed it in the restaurant also.
और देयर वर टाइम्स जब सब थक जाते थे एंड यू कैन सी इस बेचारे को नींद आ रही है. सो मेक श्योर यू आर ऑलवेज सपोर्टिंग हिज नेक एंड ही कैन स्लीप peacefully while traveling. And there were fun moments also. This was the time जब हम रुके थे कार को थोड़ा सा साफ़ करवाने के लिए, एंड ब्रूनो बहुत ही खुश था वो वाटर प्रेशर से एकदम जब कार क्लीन हो रहा था. एंड ही वॉज लाइक वेरी सरप्राइज दैट व्हाट इज़ गोइंग अराउंड, एंड he was getting some attention, so he was really liking it. How was the journey? Say something, no? Good? You didn't get much things to eat, huh? Okay. Say hi, Kashish.
Hey.
How are you?
Tired, as you can see.
You don't look tired.
I am tired.
Papa, say hi. Papa,
Hi.
you are tired?
Not really.
और 2 दिन में ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे हमने पूरा कंट्री देख लिया हो. अच्छी सड़कें, टूटी हुई सड़कें, शहर, गांव, दिन रात. हम लोग कार में बैठे थे, एंड ये आप देख सकते हैं इस समय ऐसे झटके लग रहे थे कि कमर की बैंड बज गई थी. और ये बेचारा कोशिश कर रहा था कि इसको नींद आ जाए, बट देर आर टाइम्स जब रोड्स थोड़ा ऐसे हो जाती हैं, बट देन दैट्स द फन अबाउट द जर्नी. आप जब भी पेट्स के साथ एक लॉन्ग जर्नी प्लान करते हैं तो ऑलवेज़ मेक श्योर कि आप गूगल से वेदर फोरकास्ट चेक कर लें, एंड प्रेफरेबली बारिश वाले दिन चूज़ ना करें, बिकॉज़ बार बार आपका पेट और आप गाड़ी से उतरेंगे टॉयलेट के लिए, एंड बार बार वो सारा कीचड़ कार में जाएगा, तो इट बिकम्स वेरी मेसी. सो दिस हैज़ हैपेंड विद मी, आई हैव फेस्ड ऑल दैट. So always make sure that you're traveling on a sunny day like we did, because it makes things easier. And बाकी छोटी छोटी प्लानिंग्स आपको करनी पड़ेंगी. उसके लिए छोटे छोटे ट्रीट्स रखिए, क्योंकि आप ज़्यादा हैवी चीज़ें नहीं दे सकते हैं, तो स्मॉल ट्रीट्स यू कैन give him water whenever you're stopping. Give him a little bit of water, not too much, because too much water again he'll have to pee again and again. So make sure that you are giving him a sufficient quantity.
Guys, as you've seen, we've almost reached Hisar, 53 kilometers away, and it's been 2 days. We've been traveling from Aurangabad to here. It's like second day, almost we'll be reaching around in 1 hour. So it was a great trip, and hope to see you soon.
लास्ट में पहुँचते पहुँचते एक लास्ट टिप ये भी देना चाहूँगी कि अपने साथ न्यूज़पेपर्स और क्लीन करने के लिए क्लॉथ वगैरह रख लें, सो दैट इन केस द डॉग हैज़ सम वॉमिटिंग प्रॉब्लम देन यू हैव अ थिंग टू क्लीन.
Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment on this video, and keep watching for more such content. Bye. क्या बोलना है?